Have you ever really looked at your landing page or even your website and thought, would I really understand what I'm selling? Now, here is the truth. People do not buy what they do not understand. A lot of SMEs find themselves losing sales each and every day, not because of bad products, but because of confusing messaging. Welcome once again. This is Phiri Consulting, where we help entrepreneurs like you build scalable, profitable, as well as fundable businesses. If you're new here, please don't hesitate. Help us by subscribing to the channel. Also, like the videos and share with your other entrepreneurial friends. Now, we are talking about clarity in messaging in this particular video, and the opposite of that being actually the main reason why a lot of entrepreneurs find themselves losing sales that they could have easily made. So in this video, what we're going to focus on are clear, very simple strategies that you can start applying right now to make sure that you even gain those customers that you didn't know you had already lost. Now, the most important thing that must happen the first time people come in contact with you, or they come in contact with anything that you're putting out there. It could be on social media or any platform where you've got a message or you've got an offer that you're putting out. They have to answer these three questions, and they have to find answers to them pretty fast. The first question is, what do you do? And then the second one is, who is it for? And then third, why it matters. Now, if they fail to find answers to these particular questions very fast, what will happen is that they will either scroll away, or they will find something else right there on the internet, or even end up even ignoring your DMs. What you want to do initially, quickly as possible, is that you want to grab their attention as fast as possible and then lead them towards your conversion. Now, you will see that in most cases, now failure to clarify what you're all about always leads to a loss in sales. So this is usually the biggest conversion killer, a confusion in messaging, not your product, not your pricing, but messaging that is not clear always makes it difficult for you to close in that particular offer that you have for your customers. So this is what I actually mean when I say your messaging is unclear. For instance, you say we provide holistic integrated solutions for modern enterprises or for modern entrepreneurs. What does that really mean? There's a lot of jargon there, there's a lot of words, but what does it mean to someone who's reading that or who's looking at it? Do you think that it will convert? Now, focus on this one now. You say we help SMEs increase their sales revenue and save time by using simple social media strategies. Okay, now from there, which one do you think you're going to talk to? Which business are you going to communicate and want to have a conversation with? Now, the answer is obvious there. So clarity is always very important in messaging. So you will see there that what you need to do, and then you can have a fix, and this is the fix that we have for you. In our fix, the fix is very simple yet powerful. Always and all times, clarity equals confidence. If they are confident in the offer that you're presenting them, they are confident to take you up on that particular offer. Now, that confidence will only come if your messaging is clear, if the offer is presented in such a way that there is clarity. Now, these are the three things that you need to focus on for you to make sure that you fix your confusing messaging. The first one is, say it simply. If you cannot explain it to a 12-year-old, then it is too complicated. You need to find a way to refine it, simplify it, and make it easy to understand. So you don't want people to start opening their dictionaries and so forth for them to understand a simple sales message that you're trying to put out there. And then the second thing, use one clear call to action, not many calls to action, one clear call to action. The reason for this is that you do not really want them to think. They just must transition from reading or from hearing and then click that particular call to action, whether downloading a lead magnet or a resource, whatever the case might be, or moving to view your landing page, whatever the case might be, make it as simple as possible. It could be a booking link. The transition from the message to where you want them to be must be as simple as possible, and always use one call to action. And then number 3, lead with value. Now here you showcase exactly what transformation or what value you're offering and for whom. Be specific, because remember, you're not selling for everyone. From the onset, if you're selling to doctors, the one who's reading with a doctor will know exactly that this is meant for them. Now, this helps actually qualify the leads and the ones that take up on that call to action that you give, so that you know definitely that the one who clicks that particular link is the person or the people or the business that you're actually communicating to. Now, here at Phiri Consulting, what we help you with is crafting clear messages that do not confuse, but messages that increase conversions. What I'm offering you today is a free download. There's a link down below there. Download the free 30-day growth action plan. You'll find it down. This will give you a structure on how to grow your business. If you need any help with your messaging, don't hesitate to link up. I'll leave all the other details on how you can get hold of me and my team, so that we can bring to you the best offer you can ever really imagine. Now, besides just that, if you really want to talk, don't hesitate to book a call with us. You can book via WhatsApp. You can book. There is a calendar, a link that you can book to go straight there, and then book a 15-minute non-obligation call, so that we can have a chat and find out where you are, where you want to go, and then maybe we can work out a strategy on how best to help you in the current circumstances where you are. Remember that clarity sells, and confusion will make you lose those conversions that you are really looking for. In most cases, this is the reason why a lot of people don't really know that they're losing customers, because they lose them before they even speak to them. Your messaging has to be as clear as possible to increase your conversion rate. Thank you so much for watching. This is Phiri Consulting. We'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.